So first things first, I had to get my nails done before I went on vacation. This is by far one of my favorite sets and perfect for Miami. What do y'all think? So the night before my flight, I stopped at Habaneros for a drink. It's my favorite Mexican restaurant, and I just love the vibes. So I did this before I started packing. Yes, I packed the night before. Yes, your girl is flying out of Milwaukee because Chicago is too fucking far. So I got dropped off at Milwaukee, and here I am making my way to my flight to head to Miami. I look rough as fuck, and I did have a layover, so I did not fix my hair on my way to the airport because, again, this is like a 5 a.m. flight, y'all. We don't got no time for that. So on the layover, I will get myself together. And here I am just complaining about my lashes. I literally got them done the same night of my flight, and I'm complaining because I see a gap, and I'm very particular with who I let do my lashes. As y'all know, I do lashes, so I was just very, very particular on how my lashes were done. So I'm just sitting here complaining about my lashes, that's all. So during my little layover, it was just long enough for me to have a bite to eat and to do my hair and makeup. I put my extensions in, my clip-in extensions, and I look so different already. Look at that. Again, my flight was not long at all, and I'm literally flying in and flying right back out of Miami. So I believe in total it was like a 3-hour flight. My layover was maybe like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So yeah, now I'm on my way to Miami to get my veneers done. This view was so beautiful. I did fly Southwest. I do like Southwest. It's not my first choice. Delta's my first choice, and then it will be Southwest will be my second choice. But the flights were pretty affordable. I will put all of the pricing in the description box down below so you guys know. But yeah, it was a pretty comfortable flight. So
let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is her. Trying to make sense of those chains that be a war in my mind. And let go away. He was holding me to the right.
I'm at the hotel now, and I got my room. I'm hot as fuck in this outfit, bro. Where's my room? In 308. I'm going the wrong way. I'm hot as fuck in this outfit in Miami, but it's 91 degrees. Why did I do this? My room. Right here, 308, 3rd floor. They said there's a party tonight. I might actually go because it's $10 to get in, and I don't got shit else to do. But I don't want to miss my flight. Be for real, bro. It's not working. It's not working. I'm gonna show y'all around. This is my room. What Cardi B said, y'all be in Miami for host to a room shit. Yeah, not me, bitch. Not fucking me, bitch. This motherfucker by myself, traveling by myself, as I do every motherfucking time. I know that's right. I know that's motherfucking right. Bitch got her teeth done and don't know how to act. Okay, period. Might do a little get ready with me in here. I want a little shower routine. Or some, I gotta do some content, right? Something shit. I gotta do something. Oh, and I get to sleep, hopefully. It ain't got a view, she said, but it's quiet. That's cool. I like quiet. This is my view. It's a building. I'm gonna hop in the shower, though, because I'm hot as a bitch in this fucking outfit. And then I'm a 10 everywhere I go, because I was in Miami and I was walking down the street in this fucking outfit covered head to toe, and the nigga was like, damn, you got that shit on, what's your Cash App? Still didn't give it to him, but all right, y'all, so it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm at the hotel. I'm about to go back home. I'm wearing my curly hair because I'm in Miami. Shit, everybody's Spanish here anyways. I might as well wear my real hair. And maybe I'm just around, maybe I'm in the wrong demographic. Maybe I just need to be around my people, because I've been using Spanish the whole time here, and I'd be really insecure to speak Spanish, to be honest, because I feel like I sound white when I speak Spanish. But maybe I just need to be like submerged in the culture, you feel me? So we got fruit, because I can't eat anything like with color in it or whatever, and I just have to eat like healthy. So this is actually promoting me to be healthy. I'm sure my personal trainer will be really fucking proud. And I got me a lemonade. I didn't get no silverware though, but it's cool. Finna eat, and then the shuttle comes every 30 minutes, so yeah. And then I'll see y'all at the airport probably. I'm not finna have y'all watch me eat, so bye.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Here I am on another 5 a.m. flight, flying out of Miami back home to Milwaukee Airport. And that was it. I was just gone one weekend. I got my veneers done. It took 5 hours, and that was my trip. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, it's not what I want. Just some me time.